Hello, everyone. Happy New Year. Happy Kwanzaa. I hope that everybody had a wonderful holiday. This is January 6, 2022, and I am attorney Robyn McCoy. This is Robyn Legal. We have had, this past year was a very exciting year. I actually became the president of Black Women Lawyers in Michigan. And so in June of last year, and we started up with some awesome programming. You can check out our YouTube link, Black Women Lawyers in Michigan, Association of Michigan. You can check us out on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. We had a series of speakers that talked about the housing crisis. We had some doctors that talked about Black Health Matters. We had Judge Ali Maldonado that came and talked about the importance of Native American History Month. And then we rounded it out in December with a training with Assistant Attorney General John Pallas and myself talking about expungements. And today was a beautiful day. We had I had my 7th expungement or application to set aside a conviction set aside. And so my staff and I are actively working to process people's expungements. It's taken an average about 3 to 4 months to process them. So we have a number of them in the works, and I know that I'm getting a lot of calls about this, and that's why I did the training to encourage other attorneys to learn the process and become involved. And I am continuing to do indigent defense out of Wayne County. I'm still doing criminal retained cases in Washtenaw, Wayne, Oakland, all over the state, and then I do family law in moderation, because family law can be, as most lawyers will tell you, most lawyers don't do it, it's intense. And I'm coming to you live from my new home. I'm in Ypsi Township, and I'm also working as a legislative assistant for Representative Ronnie Peterson, the Honorable Ronnie Peterson, in the 54th district. Under the redistricting will be the 32nd district. So we have had some exciting programming that's been going on, exciting events. And I'm getting my calendar together for the upcoming year. So we have some awesome programming coming up. We're going to have some folks come from the Aaron Lincoln from the Friend of the Court and Judge Cox talk about the family court filing process in Wayne County. We have attorney Nikisha Cheney, who is a civil rights attorney, who's going to come speak with us in February. And so we have some other things that are in the works that I'll let you guys know as we get speakers confirmed. And we're going to be talking about the importance of voting rights, getting that legislation passed, the importance of getting the George Floyd Justice and Policing Act, getting that passed, and making sure that there's policies and legislation that is passed on a local, state, and national level that are protecting everybody's rights, protecting women's rights, African Americans, children. Everybody that knows me knows I am committed. I have a passion about working with children and making sure that they are safe and cared for. Attorney Ed Taylor, my partner, and we recently went to California. There's also issues. We saw the homelessness issue. There's people that are dealing with homelessness. It's here in Michigan, people that need to have housing, people, expungements. We've been working with expungements to help people to get jobs. There's the list. It's been beautiful. Most people have been eligible for expungement, but the list is piling up, and I anticipate there's going to be a list of folks that we're going to be gathering together and recruiting folks to help with people requesting pardons from the governor for those that maybe they have offenses that don't meet the criteria, but it's been 20, 30, 40 years, and they haven't done anything new. No new offenses, and they would be good candidates for pardons. So I just wanted to say hello to everybody. Today is a solemn day. This is an anniversary of the insurrection. We did a resolution, Black Women Lawyers in Michigan. We're glad that the government is making people accountable, holding people accountable for their actions on this January 6th of last year. just unacceptable behavior. And those of us that do criminal defense, we see clients every day that are held accountable, typically working class, Black, white folk that are held accountable for their behavior. So everybody needs to be held accountable for their behavior if they break the law. So I am just excited to see everyone. And so I'm coming to you live from Ypsi Township. And so just stay tuned. We have some awesome speakers and lineups that are coming. You're either going to see them on Robyn Legal, Political Coffee, or the Black Women Lawyers YouTube page. So I hope that everybody stays safe, stays blessed. I've been vaccinated and boosted. I'm encouraging for those that are able, that the doctor advises you to do it because I want to travel. I love to travel. I've been doing a little bit of traveling within the United States, but I would love to travel more so outside of the United States. So, and the only way that's going to happen is if everybody gets on board. I'm still taking my zinc, turmeric, elderberry, my vitamin D, all of that. So everybody just stay safe, masked up when necessary, and be blessed. Happy New Year, Happy Kwanzaa, Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah.